we're gonna be testing Manus while it's free. If you take a look at the screen, it would be free through August 25. So if you're watching this video today, you can try it for maybe a couple of days or so. And I want to see if it can watch one of my YouTube videos, understand my TikTok content, and then let's create a carousel that I could actually use and post on my TikTok. And by the way, you don't need to add any payment methods to use this. So you just sign in with your account. I just signed in with my Facebook account and it's all done. So yeah, let's get straight to it. And also, I found out that free users can still hit daily limits and they have queues also. So the question is, does it really save enough time to be worth paying for the plan? I haven't really used the Manus that much because we have Hermes agent, we have tons of harnesses that could run locally. But the good thing is Manus offers a cloud computer, which is nice. So if you don't have any VPS to run, this may be an all-in-one package for you. But yeah, let's see what it can do. So my TikTok content is mostly Tagalog, but for this test, I want the final carousel to be in English. So I'm curious to see whether Manus can understand the account as a style reference without just copying my videos. And this is what we're actually gonna be doing, and hopefully it copies it perfectly. I mean, like, not that much. I'm not really expecting much from Manus, but yeah. But our first test would be asking Manus to understand our YouTube video. So I'm starting with the YouTube video because I want Manus to understand the actual idea before it creates a slideshow, or no, not slideshow, but a carousel for this video. And we're gonna be using our video about free buff. So you wanted to tell me what the video is about, what the useful points are, and what could become the carousel. So if the summary is wrong, then there's really no point on asking it to make the carousel yet. So yeah, let's just paste this in and then just paste this. Can you watch the video and let me know what the video is about? So we could use 1.6 Lite, but yeah, we're just using the stronger model. I do think 1.6 is the stronger model, right? So it is doing some loops, which is nice. And yeah, so it has tasks. Okay, so this is pretty nice. We can actually view the computer. Oh, so it's using a sandbox. And this is for free, by the way. Okay, so it's free for a limited time, of course. So let me just zoom out a little bit. So this video is a review of a hands-on test on free buff. Okay, in the short video, argues with free buff is a worthwhile. Okay, so it is exactly like my video. Then I would ask it to inspect this video on my TikTok account, then create slideshows about it, about the free buff video. So let's just paste this. So I'm just quite lazy at prompting, but I did paste a video link and then scan the images on this carousel on my own account, then create some carousels for this video too. So, oh yeah, I forgot to that we're using the free buff. So hopefully it did understand it a little bit. But yeah, okay, so it's opening the TikTok account on its computer. Let's see if it actually does things. Okay, so it did grab the video. Okay, so we don't really want to see the technical stuffs because some people here are still beginners, the people who are watching this video. So don't worry about these stuff. You know, this is a sandbox and it won't really do anything on your computer. Yeah, you can download Manus on your desktop and then control your computers just like Hermes Agent. And somehow you can use Hermes Agent for free by using free model providers. Either way, what? They're using a GPT image too rather than using HTML? Okay, maybe I'll create another prompt that so it is generating 5 images, which would take a long time on my end since this is a free account. I wouldn't really be expecting them to give us all the free compute. And after this generates, I'll ask it to create a carousel on HTML. Then we can install them one by one rather than asking the AI to generate image, because this one is made by like just plain HTML. So I don't know why it did create the image using GPT image 2. I think there's something wrong with my prompting. I didn't really specify it, but yeah. But regardless, it did do the task. And also for this whole thing, we can also track the usage that we had and we used. Wait, what? Okay, so I think they're quite generous with this because when you have a free account, yeah, so every day you'll get 300 credits. And if you're just a small business and you want an AI to manage everything without, if you have some sort of like, yeah, if you have a low end desktop, or if you only have a tablet and you can't have an agent's run on your account, then I think this is nice. So you get credits every day, and it's up to 1,500 credits a month. So yeah, we'll definitely be monitoring how many credits it used after we finished everything here. I don't know if I'll actually appreciate it, but after they created the images, they're actually reviewing each of them. I mean, yeah, I do appreciate that part where they check the images, but it is taking a long time. Okay, so it's done, and yeah, I mean, like, let's take a look at it. See, this is the problem when it comes to using AI images. Let's say I wanted to remove this 01. I mean, all of these could be achieved using an HTML file. Like, they could just code it. But I do think it did a great job. I mean, it's fine. I mean, we can't really complain since we did not really prompt it that good. And what did I just do here? Okay, and also you can install it. So I really appreciate that one. But how do I remove this thing? Okay, that was not it. Okay, yeah. So create a carousel in HTML, then we can install them one by one. Okay, so I'll be asking Manus to clean the background since I don't really like that. And we're also gonna be asking to install a skill. So since I'm lazy, I'll just paste it here. Stop slop is a skill that just removes the slop in its writing. Because what you're writing right now. Okay, so we could just send this one and hopefully it creates its uh, much faster. So the time on my end is 4:35. So we'll see. Ah yeah, there we go, 4:35. So hopefully it does its work quite fast. I'm expecting maybe 5 minutes and this would be done. And again, I am repeating this because they really just have a free. Is this really a free VPS or is it taking up credits? Yeah, I mean pages viewed, credit. Is it really just 4 credits? Or are they the images? Because there are 6 images. I mean 5. I Yeah, it is 6. So why did it take credits? Is it really free? So this might be a wrong. This might just be wrong information, but yeah, I don't know if they're really generous with the credits or not. So it's 4:39, so it did 4 minutes to finish this, and yeah, we'll try to zoom in. How do I zoom everything in? Okay. I don't know why it did like great new. Like why am I able to edit these? But yeah, I mean, I don't really know about the design, but I did ask it to uh make it a bit minimal. But can we really edit this? That still sounds to AI. Like, it sounds like an AI slop. But I guess it is not that bad. Okay, so I did mention this part on the video. I specified that on other regions, free buff has limits on other regions, while other regions such as in the US, they have, I do think they have an unlimited DeepSeek, and they have premium models there too, like the DeepSeek V4 Pro 0813. But yeah, this is just, this is just how an AI would sound like. So I would change it to something like, yeah, I don't really know, but yeah, I guess it did do a great job since I was lazy. Actually, we'll try to install that this image. We have not tried to install it yet. Oh, export this slide only. Downloads. Also, I cannot install it as a photo yet. But I could just ask my agent to install everything here. But yeah. Okay, so it did a great job on this. And then next is it can build websites too. But free accounts does have a watermark, so I don't prefer that thing. We can host a website on Vercel, but I wouldn't really want that since beginners are watching a video. You can create slides, design. Okay, so let's build a website, and then we'll try to use impeccable style to remove some of the slop, and also we'll try this humanizer to somehow remove the AI generated. I mean, just to remove the AI slop, and hopefully. So I am lazy when prompting this. Of course, when you want to create your own website, you have to be really specific with it. But I have a video. I think the Vercel tutorial is on the build your portfolio for free video. I'll leave it in the description. It's around on the 5 minute mark. I guess you could just skip to that. But for this one, we're really just testing whether Manus can create a good looking websites. Of course, this is gonna be a little bit of, yeah, it's just skill issue when I don't really know how to design websites. Since I want to show you what it can do with minimal prompting, I guess. I guess they do have prompts here like an e-commerce, oh, shopping landing page, dashboard. Okay, so it really is a complete suite. But yeah, maybe you could just click those stuff on your own. And I also created a capybara game. Never mind that one. But yeah, we'll just try to send this prompt. So let's create some website, put some fake details on it. So it's a travel agency, maybe Japan and Korea, and it is filled with cherry blossoms. So feel free to ask me questions because I might be a little bit vague with what I'm describing things about. And yeah, hopefully it does create a good website. Yeah, so it is finished. And then we can publish this one and then have a link also. But we'll have this watermark, and if we click always hide, you would need to pay for their monthly subscription. But yeah, I'm not gonna hide it. Let's see. I don't know if it really does look like a slop. Has some going stuff all over the place. AI likes to put this type of thing, and then I don't know if they really used. Oh, okay. So I attempted to access it, but the site closed the connection. Humanize I reviewed. So if it can't access the skill on their website, why didn't it tell me? So I could not scan. Okay, then apply the skill. Then hopefully it does make the website a little bit more impressive. But with this one, even without the skills, I guess it's all right. You know, we have this dash weird. Oh, okay. And AI likes to put those. Okay, so I guess we'll just have to wait. Yeah, so I can access the website for now. Not bad, I guess. But yeah, hopefully Impeccable can somehow fix this a little bit. Okay, so we can also make edits in parallel. It just did this. So let's just be the good guy and review it as 3 stars. The issues, but anyway, I guess this really is a skill issue because as you can see, I mean, yeah, it is fine. I know it can't one-shot things. It did leave this weird line too, which was I didn't expect, but it did remove the things on the top. Let's see. I mean, it is all the same. Yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. And we can publish it if we want, and then anyone with the link. And but let's try the mobile too. Okay. I think it has a bug there, or I don't know if that's a feature. But yeah, I do guess that's it. So that was my test of Manus like while it's free. And so we're gonna have a little bit of a recap. So I used my YouTube video I used it to scan my YouTube video to create a TikTok carousel, and I asked it to scan my previous TikTok carousel to create some sort of. But yeah, like the useful question is not whether Manus can generate or create something because it obviously can do all of those things. The question is, whether the result saves me enough time and whether I can justify the price. So right now it's free. I haven't really tested the credits, but for now it is really good if you want to test it, and you can host the website as well. The HTML, I think you can just download everything here and then host it on another website, maybe on Vercel or Cloudflare pages. But this is useful if you don't have a desktop. Like let's say you only have an Android phone or you only have an iPad or a tablet that doesn't really support AI agents. Yeah, AI agents natively. Like you can't run Hermes agent on it. You want something that's cheap and that you want to try for the first month. It is good. They have $10, I think, but I think that would be too limited. But yeah, I do guess that's it. And yeah, you can create your cloud computer here. Hope you learned something in this video and see you in the next one.